in Montego Bay, the newest hotel. The birthday festivities are about to start happening. Alright sis, you look so cute. Look at my little niece already. I'm not checked in the room yet, but when I'm checked in, I will let y'all know. Yay! Happy birthday to me, 27. What did this about? Rum punch on deck. People gave me rum punch. This is my second one. It's so nice.
They say it may take a few minutes. Let me see.
Right now, I'm still waiting on the room. This is what it's looking like. So, my sister here, Amanda, she's having a baby. I've been on YouTube like trying to see what this hotel looks like, and it's finally like a reality. Like I'm seeing, you know? This is what I'm wearing. This is my regular Forever 21 Cherry Lips shirt. And yeah, and my Adidas. Big old bag. So I'm ready. ready for the party. Thank you. To me, it doesn't look as grand and as beautiful as I imagined it to. I think the chairs need a little bit of updating. But yeah, I'm excited to stay here. But when I get to the room or to the sky deck, I'll call you guys. I'll let you guys know. Yeah. Birthday time. Alright guys, so we are walking to this pool to see what it's looking like. You know, I've seen this pool all over social media, so this was one of the main reasons I booked it. I just want to see if it's as good as they say. So, let's go. Hello. So, yeah. There's a bar right there. Super cool. Wow. Okay.
Like the one there right there.
It's like the, huh? Yeah. I like the view, it's really nice.
Hey, italics, yo. I shout it out loud. Mansion in the cloud, tweet, fly with me and I'll show you around. I refuse to live like a clown. I declare this now. Stuck up the account, tweet, 6-figure earner. Step in the zone. I refuse to live like a clown. Struggles today will develop you for tomorrow. Negative mind will never give you a positive life. Life don't get easier.
So this to me is like everything. The fact that it overlooks the entire ocean. No, one of the reasons I'm recording this is because whenever I was on YouTube, there were no videos about this hotel. And I needed someone's personal experience, so here it goes, guys. Live and in person. Live and in person. Alright, so yeah, we're by the pool. It's a very good scene, perfect place to take pictures and all that good stuff. I like it here. I just want the sun to come out. Like, why on a day that I am coming here that the sun is not out? But I can't wait to wake up in the morning and see what it looks like. And yeah, and I noticed that the chairs are very limited and the good parts of the place are taken up by like 4 good chairs. So, and then if you look down there, you can see down there it's a beach or whatever. So yeah, I still haven't gotten to the room yet. I haven't checked if my room was ready, but I will soon.
I want a nice one, I must laugh more.
Right. So the room not ready still. It's been about an hour. So we're gonna get some food to eat and then come back and see if it's ready. Cause me, I'm starving and I don't plan on paying up this stuff, you know. Yeah, that's the hotel there. That's the entrance. Hey guys, what's up? So finally got the room key. 3:49 and we're going to the room.
Do it, 6-figure earner. Step in the zone. I refuse to live like a clown. I refuse. Skibbity, I do. Hey, italics, yo. Skibbity, I shout it out loud. Mansion in the cloud. Do it, fly with me and I'll show you around. I refuse to.
Are we going up, Margaret? I like it. That's the rice and peas and next time I get to like jerk chicken and festival and amazing drink. Yummers, some festival, some jerk chicken and some rice.
Exercise and eat good food. They think I'm crazy, but they don't faze me. Work in silence and kill them slowly. They don't know me, think they know me. Skip the I shut it out loud. Mansion in the cloud. Do it, fly with me and I'll show you around. I refuse to live like a clown. I declare this now. Stuck up the account. Do it, 6-figure earner. Step in the zone. I refuse to live like a clown. Struggles today will develop you for tomorrow. Negative mind will never give you a positive life.